And once you click this one, so then SAP logon pad will be opened, and here we have configured the different system, and we have to select one system where we have to log in, and then we have to click or press enter. Then this screen, big screen will open in the SAP. Here we have to put the client, then username, and then password. And here is the language, default language. If you are not giving any value here, then by default English language will be selected by the system. Otherwise, if for the country specific we don't want to use the English, in that case they have to give the language key in this field as well. It is the two
Yeah,
character language. Yeah.
Praveen, at this point, what we will do, it is 4:35.
Yeah.
We will take the consensus from people
Yeah.
for how much more time we can go, because we can show one or two screens right now before you proceed with the other presentation portion.
Mm.
So that is why, sir, all of you, I'm stop sharing the screen. Uh, can we proceed for another 15-20 minutes if it is not inconvenient to you people? Can we?
Yes, sir. We can have a concluding remarks.
We will just show you the screens, at least one or two screens, so that no, it be, whatever you are showing, we will try to show you. So another 15-20 minutes or 15 minutes, is it all right for everyone? Otherwise, we'll have to close in another 5 minutes. So I just need input from all of you, please. At least the majority.
Okay,
Go
for
ahead.
me.
Okay for me.
Yeah, okay. We will just, Praveen,
Yeah.
I will just get into the SAP screen for you. Okay. Then you can explain to them. I will share the screen now. 1 second. I'll share my screen, because you know that will immediately they will be able to understand what you are talking. You know, see, Praveen, you can explain. Now this
Yeah.
is what he was telling. This is the logon screen. I have come in SAP logon. In fact, I will now put it bigger so that not only that appears. Then this is the place where he was telling. This is where we will have to do. So what I will do, he was talking about EH7, you know, enhancement package is 7. He was telling ECC 6.0, what is the enhancement package? And here you will have the, what is a SAP logon, that is a number. And I will now log on and then show you. So when you log on, then you will get the here the user name and the password. And he was telling the English. English is normally this one. So I will now give this one. Yeah. So SAP 101 is my log on. This one I am giving my password. When I enter, then it opens this kind of a screen. This is a demo IDEs we have taken. So you can see the name and all will come. This is the menu, favorites,
Yeah. It
extra
is the menu
systems and
bar.
all. He will be. Yeah, it is a menu bar, what he was telling. And then he was explaining about all these things so far. If you see the find next and all these 4, then the configuration, help, everything he was explaining. Praveen,
Yeah.
what I will do, I will just, you can I go to the financial services or I will go to accounting? Okay, I'll go to accounting.
Okay.
Can I?
Yes, sure.
So when you go to accounting, we have all these things. 1 second, because the things will be very small. So these things you will get when you go to accounting. When you have this accounting, then you have financial accounting, then you have financial supply chain management, controlling enterprise, like that you will have everything. And then when you click human resources, then you will have all these things on the human resources, time management, payroll, SAP. So in accounting, when you go to financial accounting, then you have general ledger, you have got accounts receivable, payable, banks, fixed assets. So this is how we will be able to navigate. And in fact, when you click, it is a drill down navigation. And you have document entry, and he was talking about many of the things, like when you go to master records, you go to master records, you go to GL accounts, then you go to individual posting. This is the transaction code, what he was explaining. FS00, FSP0, FS00, they are all the transaction codes.
Yeah. Just click on the FS00.
One second.
Just I am showing how you are able to go through the navigation, and yeah, this is the screen which is open, and this is for the creation of the new GL account at the
New
company
GL
code.
account.
Yeah, centrally.
Yeah.
Just go back, sir.
Yeah. See, the go back button is here.
Green
That is
one.
what he was telling. This is the go back button. So now once I'm going to click that, it will go back to the previous one.
And just in the command bar, command field, you have to just give the FS00.
FS,
FS00, same T code,
00. Same T code, it will
Yeah.
open the same, this one.
same screen.
What is happening? FS,
Yes, FS00.
That's the same screen will
Same
open.
screen is open. Either of the two methods. If you have remembered the T code, you can directly give the T code. And second one thing is just if you are in the another screen, just like the in FS00, if you have to go to the another T code, so then before T code you have to put the /n, and then you have to go to the next screen.
See, the slash takes you to the home, and the N takes you to the new one, and then you can give the T code so that this screen gets closed and the other one will open. This is how we will be navigating. So we just thought, in fact, is there any rule to be followed? What was that? 1 minute. Some chat came in. 1 second. 1 second. Okay. Is there any rule to be followed for fixing of T code? No, Mr. Ramji. The standard T codes are fixed by SAP itself. The development T codes you can put starting with Z, whatever you want to put, you can put. But normally we try to put some name which is meaningful and then which can be understood also.
And
that
and that you can insert in the favorite in the top.
Yeah, we can favorites. There will be a 1 minute. Let me close all these things. If you really look at it, this is what he was calling favorites. Okay, in this example, what we have done, we have put two favorites. One is this one. RRMX is one favorite, and RRMX special default is another favorite. Suppose you want to add one particular thing as a favorite, you will have to click the favorite and then add that particular T code. Suppose you are going to use some 10-15 T codes every day, then put them into the favorites. That is what you can do.
It is applicable for the standard T code as well
as the development T code. This is all. So Mr. Praveen normally will suggest, because that is a good way of working. Try to navigate instead of remembering the T codes to a large extent possible. Because when you navigate, you will be able to see what is in the front, what is in the back, so that you may be able to learn more things instead of only trying to do only 15-20 transactions. If you navigate, you will be able to do much more. I mean, this is how we have been working. We don't normally remember the T code and try to run into the T code. We try to navigate so that you will come to know what is happening. Mainly, that is all.
Yeah, one point I am able to say here from the GL account. In this is under the financial accounting sub module is the GL ledger. Under the sub ledger GL level, there is the another this one information system. Just click on the information system.
Yeah, I have done.
Yeah, this is for the audit point of view. All the reports related to GL account are available here. This is all the standard reports.
This is accounting. You will have to come to accounting. Then in accounting, you will come to general ledger. Then in general ledger, there is information system. Then information system, we have got general ledger reports. Then general ledger new. Then we have got tools. When you click general ledger reports, then you will have balance sheet, profit and loss account, account balances, then line items, document, master data. When you come to master data, then you will have a chart of accounts. When you come to chart of accounts, then you have got this kind of a chart of accounts. So in case you double click, then you will have to select for which company, what is the company code and all, then you will have the master chart of accounts you will be able to see. This is how you will be able to. Yeah,
it is a list of all GL accounts.
All GL accounts will come. So we will do this in the subsequent classes. But what we thought was, since he stopped, he was at a crucial juncture of starting the navigation. We thought the actual navigation we will be able to show you on the screen. That is the idea of showing it. Mr. Praveen, because I have taken time up to 4:35 from everybody. So we may stop at this point. and then we can listen to the feedback from people, then again continue. That will be much better, because beyond 1.5 hours on a Sunday, other
Yeah.
people have other this one also. And I think you can also tell Mr. Rawat our thanks to him for joining. I think he must have left. I think I call for the feedback or additional inputs on this session, so that no, we get ready, because we are halfway through this. So, oh, Mr. Rawat is there. Thank you, Mr. Rawat. So we are halfway through this. We will continue. Only we need a little bit of consensus from all of you. Next Sunday, should we have at 11:05 or 15:05? We need some kind of a consensus. 11:05 or 15:05. 15:05. If can people give me thumbs up, so that no, we will. Ramji says 15:05. If people can put a thumbs up or whatever it is, then we will understand.
I am okay for both timing.
Yeah, you are okay. Yeah, Vadivel, yes. Kiran Babu, yes.
Yes, I'm flexible.
You are flexible. Sam sir. Sam sir. And Gopalakrishnan sir.
I'm okay with either timing.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. MGK sir. MGK sir. I think at least 8-9 people have sent messages, and this one. Rangarajan sir. CS Rangarajan. Sir, will you be, because no, these are all the people, sir, who have been talking to us on these sessions and giving input. So I just thought I will take the clearance. So next week again we will meet at 15:05, 3:05 hours, and then try to continue. And anybody wants to give any feedback and your final words?
Yeah, I just want to invite the Kameshwar Rao. He is from the RSP itself. He has also joined to this session.
Where is he? Where is he? Kameshwar Rao? Ekkada?
Hello.
Rao Garu, please come in.
I have just seen him. He has also joined.
Okay. Yeah. Anyone else have any particular thing? Ramji?
The session was fantastically taken. I am really thankful for taking us through very deeply. You have properly actually linked the what you can say is the ERP as well as the slides which you are presenting. So really nice of you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, credit goes to Mr. Joseph fully.
Great, sir.
We have been in touch on a daily.
Each and every item he has explained very clearly, and that is really nice, sir.
Thank you. So please do continue to join, sir, so that we will all grow together. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anything else from anyone? Ramji sir, you asked about the protocol on T code. I have answered. The T code, standard T codes are given by SAP itself, so we don't have to change anything. But if you want to have a T code, you are developing a particular program and then giving a T code, it is up to you. But then it should start with Z. That is the only important thing, and it, to a large extent, it can be meaningful. That is what.
Yeah. And second one thing is that just if you have the authorization of SE91, through that you can in that you can also able to find the T code. There you have to put G star or Y star, and then you will get all the list.
We will tell this in the next session what they can do when they go for audit or for consultancy. We will do that, or internal audit. We will do that. Sir, with everybody's permission, can we close this session, please? Mr. Rawat, would you like to have any particular input, please? Mr. Rawat, on the session.
Yeah, it's a fantastic session, and it's knowledge sharing, and I was in SAP long before.
Okay,
it just refreshed many other things. And thanks for all the participants to come over there. So we already over on this session. So I think everyone has a lot of other engagement in this Sunday. So
yeah, naturally, sir. Normally, what happens at 5 to 6, a lot of group chanting, bhajans and all starts at Sunday. So that is why we just wanted to leave at this point. That is it.
That is also important for you at this moment.
I agree. I'm not denying. Okay, so we will close the session with all your wishes, and then please be safe, stay safe, Take care of you and your family members. And thanks for joining. And wishing you
Dasara.
a wonderful Dashara. And then this is a festival season. Let us help each other and then grow with everybody together. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
everyone.
everyone.